Bless this beat. AP on me iced out, tennis chains iced out. Oh.
Hey man, what's up YouTube? We back in here with another video. I know y'all read the title. We doing a mukbang, and we finna be telling y'all like what's really been going on. Why I haven't been posting for real. I ain't posting about a good month. I ain't gonna lie. But we got some Domino's. She wanted some cheesy bread things. I don't know why she didn't get a cinnamon Swiss. Comment down below if y'all already know Domino's cinnamon Swiss hit hard. Then little lame cheesy bread. Hold it up. Hold the cheesy bread. But yeah, we got some Domino's. But man, I ain't gonna lie, I kinda miss y'all though. Miss making these videos. I've been so busy though. Couldn't help every day. I had to get up 7 in the morning. And we close at 5:30. But we close the door at 5:30, but whoever in there, we gotta cut them. So we be in there till about 7, 8 o'clock. I be grinding. I don't know what she be doing. Her booty sign. You ain't got nothing to say? You ain't got nothing to say. Oh, my bad. I forgot to introduce y'all. This is my sister. Her name is Trinity, ugly face. But no, I'm just playing. But this is my sister Trinity. She in the what grade you in? 11th grade. She in the 11th grade. I think, ain't you going to prom? She going to prom with her boyfriend. Her friend.
My boyfriend.
Her friend.
Boyfriend.
She going to prom with her friend.
My boyfriend.
But yeah, she going to prom with her friend. I don't think they gonna step though. They ain't stepping like me, but you know how I came from prom. Put the video, I'm putting the clip up there.
Yeah, cute or whatever. That's my dog. The light hitting you, boy.
They frozen pizza. They come out the box. But I'm gonna start posting more though. Make sure y'all drop down below. Give me some ideas on what we should do. I think on this video we're gonna do a spicy noodle challenge. And then what's that? What I said we were gonna do? The if you dance.
Yeah.
The little if you dance or whatever. We're gonna do. Yeah, if you dance to the little video, you gonna get slapped. I'm gonna fire you over.
That's if I want to be in the video.
She'll never be one to be in my videos. I don't know why.
Cause I be looking down bad.
So she said she be looking boo boo.
I said down bad. I didn't say boo boo.
Boo boo.
Down bad.
I'm trying to drop some more videos and stuff. Where y'all went for spring break? Comment down below and tell me where y'all went for spring break. So I seen a lot of y'all going to like Florida, or like Florida, like around in Miami part or Orlando. Yeah, for real. And probably some people told me they went to Panama. I don't really think that many people go to Panama no more. Like used to. I think everybody like Florida more. There's more stuff to do. Where?
Panama is in Florida.
You stupid.
They're not.
I'm gonna take that out.
No, you're not.
No, I said, what did I say? What did I say?
You
I
said don't nobody go to Panama no more. Everybody like Florida building.
Oh yeah, true. I mean, like everybody like Miami builder, basically. Miami or Orlando. That's what I meant to say. I ain't go nowhere with spring break this year. I think where we went last year?
Nowhere.
We ain't go nowhere last year?
Yeah.
We take our trips in the summertime. For real. We went on a cruise last year.
No, we did not.
Every year.
No, we did not.
Where we went?
We graduated last year and we went to the beach.
Oh, so we chose in. That was the year before that.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, Miss Smarty Pants. What's a million times a million?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't know that, nigga.
Did you know?
Huh? Don't worry about it.
Alright.
We ain't talking about it. I'm like, Oh, high school been. What grades you been making?
A's and B's.
Since you're so smart. Show them your report card. I'm supposed to, I know, I'm gonna post it on there. I'm gonna tell y'all report cards. I know most people that subscribe to me, they're in Alabama. What's it called? I Now. We're gonna go on I Now, we're gonna check her grades, see if she telling the truth. You make your A's no B's, you think you smart. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all why I wanted to cut hair too. I didn't really know I wanted to cut hair for real, but like when I was little, when I was like 11, me and my brother used to play around with some clippers. And we'd be lining each other up. That nigga pushed me back so far. One time, I had to go to school with a messed up hairline, everything. But so when we needed a haircut, we lined each other up. I had to play football too. And as I got in high school, it really wasn't working out, so I found out I was gonna do HVAC, or I was gonna cut hair. And I started working under this man that my dad put me on. I had worked on this man that my dad had put me on or whatever. And I started working under him for like a month or so. I liked it, but it wasn't gonna be something I want to do for the rest of my life. Like, it was good money too. It was real good money. Especially you get your own business. Real good money. Don't just do stuff for the money though, cause at the end of the day, you're gonna get tired of it. You're gonna be making good money, but you're not gonna love it. You're not gonna love what you're doing. You're gonna dread going to work every morning. But you go do something else that you really love doing and make money for it. So that's why I want to cut hair too. I started cutting in the garage and stuff. My first cut was on my little cousin, Colin. Then I added my sister up. I cut all her hair. That's why she bald here now. But I was cutting in the garage and stuff. Yeah. That's how it really went for real. I just started posting my stuff. I started posting my stuff on Facebook and Instagram first. And that's how people started knowing that I was cutting hair. And I applied for school in the summertime. Barber school in the summertime. Cause I knew I was going to college. I took the ACT like one time at the school. I ain't gonna lie. I think I made like a 12 on that or so. I just guessed on all this stuff. But then I started going to barber school or whatever. Now the owner there at the shop, he had gave me a sheet to where like I can get in the shop and start working in the shop with a permit. So I had to go do some hours and watch another barber cut hair and stuff, or whatever. And once I got them hours, I was able to cut in the shop. And I've been coming for a year now. But them haircuts back then, terrible. A nigga was about to cry because I couldn't get a haircut right. I'd rather give up. But don't give up on your dreams. Say something, so I put the word on you. Say something, nigga.
This is my hat while you playing.
Say something, nigga. I dare you. Say something. Yeah. You ain't gangster now.
You're not either, so.
Who ain't gangster? I got this chopper right here. But you ain't got nothing to say?
You see I'm eating.
I don't know. She usually be all excited and stuff. And be jumping around and laughing all the time. But now, she wouldn't act like this on the camera. But this just a little mukbang we did to let y'all know what's been going on. But I'm finna start dropping more videos for y'all this thing. It's your boy Tay.
And trying to steal your style, dog.